Euler, EUL, is a modular lending platform on Ethereum that pushes the boundaries of decentralized finance. It allows users to create and manage their own custom lending markets without permission, meaning you can implement your financial strategies without needing approval from any central authority. This freedom is one of the key features that makes Euler stand out in the DeFi space. At the heart of the platform are the Euler Vault Kit, EVK, and the Ethereum Vault Connector, EVC. EVK is a powerful toolkit that enables users to create and manage their own lending vaults, allowing single-asset lending. This gives users greater control over their strategies while also enabling the development of more complex and innovative financial products. The Ethereum Vault Connector securely integrates these vaults with the Ethereum blockchain, ensuring all transactions are recorded transparently and securely. This allows users to lend or borrow assets with full confidence in the system. Euler has a wide range of real-world applications. Crypto holders can lend their assets to earn interest or borrow against collateral. The on-chain pricing system provides accurate and reliable price data, ensuring the value of collateral and borrowed assets is secure. Additionally, the platform supports long-tail and less-known crypto assets, offering liquidity opportunities not typically available on traditional lending platforms. Euler's journey has seen both challenges and successes. In March 2023, a $200 million exploit due to a code vulnerability highlighted the importance of security, prompting the team to strengthen safeguards. Key events such as token unlocks, community calls, and the Euler VO2 launch in 2023 to 2024 improved user experience and reliability. Raising $40 million in venture capital further accelerated development and expanded Euler's impact in the DeFi ecosystem. The team behind Euler plays a critical role in its success. Founder Michael Bentley brings experience in fintech and blockchain development. Anton Totomanov, Dariusz Glowinski, and Kasper Pawlowski provide expertise in software engineering and blockchain technology, while Doug Hoyt, known for his contributions to open-source projects, adds significant value to the team's innovative approach. In conclusion, Euler combines Ethereum's robust infrastructure with a modular and flexible design to deliver a secure, user-focused, decentralized lending experience. Its permissionless nature, advanced toolkits, and community-driven governance make it an attractive and innovative platform for anyone seeking new opportunities in DeFi.